Inside the index, we want to display all of the orders that we are passing from the controller. So the first thing that we have to change here is model, which is RockyModels.ViewModels.OrderListViewModel. Then the important thing that we have to remember is in order to display all of the orders, we can use data tables like we did with inquiry. But I want to show you how you can use the Syncfusion controls. For that, if you switch back to the snippets that I have provided, in here you see syncfusion.txt with 3 links. We'll jump with the Get Started for documentation in grid. We'll paste that URL. And here we have how to get started. If you scroll down, the first thing we need is Syncfusion package. So let's switch back and let's add that. So NuGet Package Manager, inside Browse, we'll search for Syncfusion. There are many packages. Let's make sure we have the same name. We can just copy this package name and paste it here. And we'll install this package in our Rocky project. Great. Once you have installed that, then let's go back for the next step. We'll scroll down further. And we need to add the tag helper for Syncfusion. And here you can see we have to add that in View Imports. The reason we have to add that as tag helper, because when we'll be using Syncfusion control, we'll be using different or custom tag helpers. So we'll go inside our views, we will open up the View Imports, and we'll paste the Add Tag Helper to add the new custom tag helpers that Syncfusion provides. We'll close it here and let me switch back. Then we have to add the CDN for CSS and JavaScript. You can copy this, but if you switch back to the project and if you go to _layout, when we added all the styling, we already added the Syncfusion CSS as well as the JavaScript file. So you do not have to do that again. We'll scroll down, and the last thing that we have to do is add the script manager in _layout to include everything. So we'll copy both of these lines, and we have to do that in our _layout page. Right after all of the JavaScript, I can paste it in here. We already have the render section, so we do not need that. We will just add the EJS scripts. You can see the color is changed here because it recognizes that since we have already installed the package using Package Manager. So these were the basic setup that you had to configure in your application to start using Syncfusion. That being said, we haven't used it. Let's understand how to use our Syncfusion control in the next video.